Good morning, guys. So it is now a little after 6 a.m. We're here in Puerto Natales at our Airbnb, or not, it's actually called a hostel. I think everything here is called a hostel. But we're just having a little breakfast before we have to head out to go to the bus station because our bus is at 7 o'clock to take us from Puerto Natales over to the entrance point of the national park, which is a place called Lake Amarga. For the entrance fee, I think it's 21,000 Chilean pesos. And then from there, we take the bus further on to the Catamaran dock, which is called
Pudetto.
Pudetto. And then from there, we take a catamaran over to Pane Grande, which is the start of the W Trek. So we're excited, and this is like principally the main reason why we came to Argentina and Chile. So yeah, this is like the main part of our trip. So we're super excited. We were getting all the stuff ready, packed yesterday, and we'll kind of explain more about how we pack and things like that a little bit later on. But for now, breakfast, coffee, and then over to the bus station. Are you ready?
I am ready. I might need to adjust my pack at some point, but I guess for now it's okay.
All right, turn around, show me. We've obviously made it to the bus station. Now we're just waiting for our 7 o'clock bus. So the 6:40 bus, I think, just left. And hopefully this is our 7 o'clock bus here.
We're on the bus. It's the company is Bus Tour, and it is the 7 a.m. bus to Pudetto. It gets there around 10 a.m. You know what that means?
Time for a nap.
Time for a nap. Although I drank 2 cups of coffee.
Yes.
2 small cups, so I don't know that I'll be able to sleep. So I'm reading my notes that I made. We should arrive at Amarga, which is the entrance to Torres del Paine, in 2 hours, so at 9 a.m. We'll pay our entrance fee there. We'll get back on the bus for a ride to Pudetto Catamaran and get there, an hour later. And then at 11 is the first catamaran. And it's a 25-minute journey across Lago Pejo to Pane Grande. Costs about 18,000 pesos, which is about $26. They increase the price every year, so we won't know exactly how much it is. You cannot reserve these tickets in advance. You just have to have cash and pay at the boat. So that's our plan.
Bienvenidos al parque, National Park Torres del Paine. My name is Cesar. I'm ranger here of this place. Guys, in this place, everybody need to pass here to the office. You're gonna watch a video about the rules what we have here, and you need to complete that form. With that form, you're gonna pay your entrance fee. The other people want to go to Pudetto, and if you wanna go to the Pane Grande and take the catamaran, later you need to continue in the same bus at about like 30 minutes more. Everybody, remember this face, please. If you're doing something wrong, I'll be watching you. Now you can pass to the office. Enjoy your life, guys.
Okay, now we have arrived at Lake Amarga. This is where we are going to be paying and getting our entrance tickets to go into El Parque Nacional Torres del Paine. So now we've watched a little video and we're here waiting in line to pay for our entrance tickets and things. So yeah, hopefully this is about 15-20 minute process. Quite a few people in line, small office, so yeah, it just takes a little bit of time, but no problem. Ready?
I'm ready.
You nervous? Yeah. It's okay. You'll get it. You'll get there. Yeah. Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely.
Let's do it. Are you excited?
Yeah. Hopefully, I'm just praying for good weather every day. That's all.
Yeah.
but can't control it. So we went in the tourist office, paid our entrance fee. It was 35,000 Chilean pesos. I think it goes up every year. They gave us our stamps, and then I think they gave us a map. I'll look at it when we get on the bus. My hands are full right now. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the bus, and the bus will take us to Catamaran. It's another 30 minutes from here.
Yeah, easy process. So I mean, we didn't have to wait in line too much. So this is the line currently, but I think how long did we wait? Maybe 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you walk up a little bit past the main tourist office over here, and this little overlook has amazing views of, you can see the towers from here and you can see the other mountains as well. So really, really good area to get some photos and get some videos up there. So yeah, tourist office back there, the little viewpoint up there. You just don't want to miss your bus though. We've now made it to the Catamaran terminal here. Obviously on the boat now. So they do have a few different departures. So 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 4:15, and also I think 6 o'clock. And again, the prices are different than what we read online. So it's 23,000 Chilean pesos, or about $29, $30.
Got to Pine Grande, and the mountains are showing.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get lucky and the weather continues to go our way.
Melissa, what'd you get?
Beef and cheese sandwich.
How does
I'll
it
take
look?
it. It looks fine. It's just beef and cheese.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
I could do with some like mustard and stuff, but you know.
Oh.
Beggars can't be choosers.
I wonder if they do have that.
But I'm saying like.
All right, so we are now finished with lunch. Really chill lunch here next to the campsite and Refugio. And the mountains are behind me, and it looks amazing right now. It's a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. But it is now 12:30. It should take us about 3.5 hours to hike up to Refugio Gray. So we should be there about 4 o'clock. So, you guys ready?
Not yet, not quite.
Not quite, but they'll be ready. So, all right, let's head out. Melissa, you ready?
You can only be 100% comfortable.
Ready?
Let's go. Ready? Ready?
Extreme. So ready.
No, for fire.
Because of the wind. And the UV is moderate to high.
We are about 40 minutes in. So far, so good. A little bit of an incline uphill for a little bit, and then yeah, I think it should generally be pretty flat, rolling hills kind of thing for the rest of the time. So not too bad. Hey Melissa.
Hola.
How was it so far?
It's a little tough. This is the first time I'm hiking with a real backpack, so I don't think my body's used to it. And the backpack sitting on my hips, it hurts my hip flexors because I don't have the same mobility that I normally do. But fine, take it nice and slow, and I'll get there eventually.
Yeah. Melissa's been fortunate that I've carried all this stuff so far.
True.
But she'll make it. She'll be fine. She's strong.
Honestly, it's just my hip flexors hurt.
You're just not used to it. That's all. That's what it is. So you guys see all these dead trees here? So this was from the latest fire was in 2011, a major fire. Burned a lot of this whole area up, this trail up to Refugio Gray. So the park is super sensitive about fires these days. So yeah, no fires.
No smoking.
No smoking.
campfires.
Only fires in designated spots. So yeah, it's kind of crazy to see all these dead trees. Super cool hike so far. Views along this hike. You get the lake, and then you get the mountains up there too. All right, I think we're a little bit more than halfway. It is super windy right now, so I don't know how well you can hear. But we come to this overlook over a lake, and there's little icebergs in the lake. Okay, we are about halfway. We are at the very top of this trek now. Really not that far uphill, really, but nice. Yeah, it's about 2:15, so an hour 45 up here, and then from here it's downhill down to Refugio Gray. We're now here at the lookout point, or Mirador, overlooking Lago Gray and the Gray Glacier. It is amazing. You come over this crest and it's just so beautiful. Now we're gonna go head up to the viewpoint up there and get some more photos. Really excellent hike so far, and just can't ask for a better day. All right, welcome to Refugio Gray. We made it a little later than we originally expected. It's 4:40 now, but we're here, and it's actually really nice. So this is it behind me, and yeah, really nice hike today. Perfect weather the whole day. So we're gonna get checked in, and I think Melissa and Marisol are coming up the trail right now. You made it! Okay, I need your first impressions.
It's great. It's cute.